let me do a quick demonstration about how to operate and get these dimensions for these funny looking solids that are in industry choice number 3. So first of all, what I'm going to notice is you've got a nice drawing here. You've got the model, but we're not going to make any dimensions or anything here. Are those on a locked layer? Yes, they are. There we go. I'm going to unlock that layer, and I'm just going to get rid of all those, and I'll show you why in just a moment. So in my model, I have just my part. That's all I want. I want just the part. Okay, so there we go. I've got just the part, and I can see just the part from all my views. And then on my piece of paper, I'm going to get rid of the existing viewport. It's gone. All I've got left is the title block. Okay? So now, you'll see once you come onto the layout here, there's this layout tool that's available. It's a ribbon, and when you're on layout, it turns blue or green or something like that. And you're used to working with this viewport, but we're going to do something different. When I'm in 3D modeling, I use this one, Create View. It's a little bit different, and it works just a tiny bit differently. And I'm going to make a base view, or my original view, or my primary view from what I've got in model space. And that's why I want just the model in there. And there it is. And if I go click, I've positioned it, you can see, click and hit OK, then immediately it asks me what other views do I want just by moving my mouse. So I think I want a top view, and I'm going to show you a really cool thing here. I'm just going to do that top view, and I'm going to do this isometric view. There we go. So there. And now the one thing that's really weird that I have to dimension is this whole pattern over here. Okay, and here's the easiest way to do that. I'm going to make a section view that looks right at it. So section view. I can make an auxiliary view, but I think I want to make, it'll be easier for me to make a section view of this view here. And I'm going to work from here right along that edge. And once I've got it, I'm going to right click, enter, and there it is, and I'm looking straight at it. So that's the easiest way. And I'll right click, enter, and there it is. So it's not perfectly flat, that's okay. I can put that on something that I don't see, or I can hide the layer that that's on. Let's see if what layer that's on. So I can turn that layer off. And now I've got this true view that I can look at and see. So that's my easiest way to do that. I'm going to show you how to do that again. So here I am. I want this one at an angle. This time I'm going to turn my snaps on. And I'm on the layout tool, and I'm going to make a section view here, and I'm going to go right along that surface. Once I've picked two edges of that surface, I'll hit enter, and I'll just move it down here. I can go up here, but this is what I really want, is right down here. And it's looking straight at that. I'm going to click my left mouse, click, and then I'm going to hit OK. And I've already turned off that layer that it made. See, it does all sorts of cool, weird things. It makes all these new layers for me, which is just fine. But I've already got this one clean and clear. I've got from this direction, I can see these ones. I'm not concerned that you do any better on this and make it any more perfect than it is. I'm really concerned that you can get 3 views, any 3 views, and now put some dimensions on it. So now I'll go and put my text on there if I can find it. There's my annotate, linear, maybe I'll go from, what do I need to go? Maybe I'll put, it's hard to figure out exactly what I want to do here. What do I want to put on there? I really want to put on, there it is, a center mark. I was looking for that. There, now I got a center mark, and I can dimension from here to here, say, and I can put my radius on here, and my radius on here. So I'm just interested, and do something cool. I can put another center mark on here, and so then I can put a dimension. So just, this is what I'm interested in. And then over here, that one's called an aligned dimension when it's working at some wonky angle. That's how you get the wonky angle. And then, of course, here, I've got it all straight on again. So that's all I'm looking for. Get something on there. Get something on there that looks kind of cool like that. Okay? So hopefully that will help you. If you need any more stuff, just ask the question and I'll make another recording for you.